Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will learn about products connections, why and how should you set up connections between the products in your store and the ones on Doba. To make the long answer short, setting up the connections makes your order management so much easier. Let me give you an example. After your buyer places an order in your store, the order will be synced to Doba. Then you have to find this order in the Store Orders tab and place the same order for your buyer on Doba. If you already set up the connections, all you have to do is to click the Purchase Order button to make the payment. Doba will do the rest for you. If the connections wasn't set up, you just can't place the order directly by clicking the Purchase Order button. Instead, you have to do it manually with hassles. Here's another example. If the products in your buyer's order goes out of stock on Doba, you may want to find an identical product on Doba and fulfill the order anyway, instead of canceling it. If you do find an identical one, you can just connect the new one to the product in your buyer's order. And voila, like we just mentioned in the previous example, you can use the Click Purchase Order button to make the payment and let Doba do the rest for you. Now we know the connections are very useful. Next, let's learn how to set up the connection. If you use the List to Store option to list some products of Doba to your store, then the connection between these products will be automatically added. And you will note this kind of connections couldn't be edited or deleted directly on this page. If you do want to edit or delete it, you may click Edit to go to the Listings page to change a product listing or remove a listing. Then the connection will also be edited or deleted automatically. For those manually uploaded products, you will need to set up the connections manually, as well. To do so, just connect your store SKU to the product's item number on Doba, in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Doba account, find a product on Doba which you have listed to your store. Open the product's details page. Step 2. Find the same product in your store, such as Shopify. Open the products page as well. Step 3. Return to Doba. Click Connection in the left navigation pane. Then click Add Connections. Choose your store's platform and name. Copy the product's SKU in your store and paste it here. Then copy the product's name and paste it here. Copy the product's item number on Doba and paste it here as well. Then please click the check button. If the item number is right, the product will appear here. You may click to choose your shipping method. Or you may just skip this now, and add a shipping method after the connection is set up. Step 4. Finally, please click Add Now. Then click Confirm to finish. Or you may click Continue to add to make more connections. Now, you can see the connection you just added. And you may click Edit to adjust this connection if necessary, such as choosing a substitute product on Doba, and changing the item number here. As we just mentioned, you may click here to add a shipping method. After a method is added, it will be set as the default shipping method of all your future buyers' orders. You may come back to adjust the method at any time if necessary. And you may click Delete to remove a connection, if you don't want it anymore. If you really want it, you may also select multiple products and click the Delete button above to delete them all at once. In the following video, we'll tell you how to add connections in bulk using an Excel template. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.